Hi girlies, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make DIY skincare, and as you see, I didn't do my skincare in about like 1 week, and I have some breakouts and some open acne. So we are going to try those DIY skincares and see the result in the end of the video. Let's go. Okay, so the first DIY skincare product we're making is the viral rice mask, which the instructions will come here and I will also tell you. So we have half a cup rice. I cannot show you the full, but yeah, half a cup rice, and we are going to rinse them well. Then let's go and see. Let's go first rinse them. So as you see, this is the rice. This is the rice, and we're going to rinse it. So we rinse it for 3 times, and the last time we don't we don't wash off the water. So after the 3 times wash up, rinsing, we put the rice in. We put it in a pot. Like this, all of it. We are going to put it on the gas stove. Like this. Put the fire on the max level and wait for 30 to 1 hour to the rice, so the rice gets very. Okay, so while we wait for rice to become the way we want, we are going to test another DIY skincare, which is with coffee. I don't have ground coffee, so I'll make my coffee ground and do two DIY skin things we can do. Okay, for the first DIY skincare product we're gonna make with coffee, we need coffee, ground coffee, and yogurt. So first let's make my coffee ground, because this is not grounded coffee. I don't like the smell of coffee, I'm sorry. 2 spoons of ground coffee, as it says in TikTok. We pour it and press like my coffee grounded, which is this one, and the one that I grounded my coffee is in. So we're going to take the yogurt, 1 tablespoon yogurt, we put it in the bowl. Very yummy. For 30 minutes, they said. So we are going to try it. We put the nose. Should I do it with my fingers or with the spoon? I don't know. I would do it with my finger. Okay, so we rub it in. I hope I don't get dark skin after putting this on and take it off. And even more burnt, because they say it's the benefit of this mask is to have brighter skin and tighter skin. So I hope that actually works, and I'm sacrificing my good skin for you guys, so please like and subscribe. So again, we put the mask here. I was literally in shower yesterday. Not my hair. So I give up. I put it in all over my eyebrows. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and I cannot move my mouse or anywhere. Let's go wash it off. Let's go and wash it off and then come to you. Best coffee mask is not approved by me. When I wash off my hand, if you can see it, this hand is one tonage darker than my own hand, and I felt that I'm getting yellow. It felt so bad on my face, and I don't see any difference in my faces. There is nothing different in my skin, and I would absolutely not recommend it. It was a very bad experience. I thought that my skin is getting yellower, darker, and everything. It's a big risk. I would not recommend it. Do not believe everything you see on TikTok. So for the next mask, until our voice is ready, we're going to do another coffee mask, which is the coffee and honey mask for under eye. It says that it's so we have our grounded coffee, and now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. I don't think that you see, because so I'll just mix it and show you. Was not enough, because like you see, these coffees are looking like this, so we're going to add even more honey. It's hard to get it, so we're going to put it under our eyes. There is a woman on TikTok saying this one is good for whitening. It's good for darks. There's a woman on TikTok saying this mask is good for dark circles, and I do not have dark circles, but just to see if it's true or not, I'm going to try it on my little dark circles that I have. And you see, this is not working out well. I think that it's scam again, but just let's try it and hope. I actually think it's going to give me dark stickers more than clearing up my dark stickers. So I'm going to wait 15 minutes, as I said in the TikTok video, and then we're going to wash it off and see what happens to my skin. Okay, it's been almost 30 minutes, even more than 15 minutes to see better result. I said to wait more time, so now let's take it off. This time I'm taking it off with a cotton pad, a wet cotton pad. So I want to show it here because yeah. Okay. So there is absolutely no difference with my before pictures. If you see them, you can check out my last videos. So I can see a little bit difference. This one is a little more brightened, and I have tighter skin now. Tighter skin, under eye skin. I don't know. I just okay. So this is how our rice should look like. You see, it must be looking like this. And now we're letting it cool down for a while and put it in a mixer. This is our mixer, and I'm going to pour it in. Okay, so we pour it into this, and we're going to mix it, and I'll show you how it should become, and then we're going to add some honey. So this is how it must look like. You see, when it's looking like this, we should add 3 tablespoons of honey. Okay, so I added the honey and we're going to mix it again. So try it out. And this is how it should look finally. Okay, so I've tried the rice mousse as well, and I think the rice mousse is the one of the best musk you can try at home. It's the best DIY musk you can try. And the other two, the coffee with yogurt and the coffee with honey, I don't recommend that. It's too risky. But the rice mousse, I've actually tried it before, and I got good things from it, so I just recommend it to you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and try these muscles. Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.